You new is mean import or importation. This sample we have like 店は輸入品をたくさん売ってます。店は輸入品をたくさん売ってます。Which mean the store sells a lot of import goods. That store sells a lot of import goods. If you just say you new is mean import. That means you bring something to your country. They say you new. But you say as you see here, you new hin. You new is mean importation, but hin is mean the product. So that when you say you new hin is mean the product that you bring to your country, that you bring from another country to your country. They say you new hin. Or takusan is mean a lot of or many. So uttemasu is mean sell, right? So in this case, they say the store sells a lot of import products. That means import products is mean that you bring from another country, not you make inside your country. So you say you new hin. And the word you new is mean import or importation.